Assalamu alaikum, class 1. Take out your English progressive book. Open page number 6. Today our topic is sentences. Unit number 1, lesson 4, sentences. Use the word she, he, they and it to complete these sentences. He, she, they, it, these are pronouns, okay? She is used for girl. He is used for boy. They are used for more than one things or human beings, and it is used for animals or non-living things. Number 1, dash are playing with a ball. They are more than one, so we write they. T-H-E-Y, they. Look at here, dog. Dog is animal, so we write it. It is running. Dash are reading books. They are more than one, so we write they. T-H-E-Y, they are reading. Look at her. Girl, we use she for girl. S-H-E, she is dancing. Look at him. We use he for boy or man. Dash is mending a cup. He is mending a cup. Look at this. This is cat. We use it for animals. It is sitting down. Look at B part. Now complete these sentences. He is a boy. We use he for boy. Dash is a dog. We use it for animals. Man. We use he for man. He is a man. Girl. We use she for girl. S-H-E, she is a girl. Boys. There are more than one, so we use they. They are boys. Cat. Dash is a cat. It, it is a cat. Dash is a boy. We use he for boy. Woman. We use she. She is a woman. Match the small letters to the capital letters. Here, these are small letters and these are capital letters. Now we match it. Small a with capital A, small b with capital B, small d with capital D, small f with capital F, small m with capital M, small s with capital S. Write your name, begin it with a capital letter. Okay, write your name with capital letter. Okay. C part. Now use capital letter to complete these names. E-L-I-L-E, Ali. Next is I-double-F. We write B. Biff. Biff is a teddy bear of Fizza. Dash I-Z-A, Fizza. F capital. Dash E-R-A, Sarah. S-E-R-A, Sarah. Number 4. Dash A-double-D-Y, D. Capital D. Dash U-double-M-Y, Mummy. M-U-M-M-Y, Mummy. Now open your page 7. Look at here. Unit number 1, lesson 5, writing. Follow the lines to find out who wear the clothes. Example 1, Ali shorts. Look at here. Mummy. Mummy wear suit. Okay. Daddy wear trousers. Sarah wear dress. Ali wear shorts. Fizza wear socks. And Biff wear shirt. Okay. Use a word in the box to complete the sentences. Daddy trousers are black. Now we write black here. B-L-A-C-K, black. Okay. Sarah's dress is red. R-E-D, red. Okay. Mummy's suit is green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Look at here. Mummy's suit is green. Biff's shirt is yellow. Biff's shirt is yellow. Write yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Fizza's socks are white. W-H-I-T-E, white. C part. Write about the dog's clothes. Okay. The dog's shorts are yellow. The dog's shirt is red. The dog's socks are green. You the dog's write about the dog's clothes, okay? And now also tell me what the dog is doing. The dog is playing with bat ball, okay? Now thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.